First day out, strapped in, September 20th. First day in the set, all strapped in. Let's see what go down. When I was putting the stand in about 4 days ago, some deer were watching me through the woods until I actually stood it up. I put it together. When I finally stood it up, they trotted off. But they watched me the whole time. They're comfortable, I reckon. I had to change my stand location. Did some scouting. The deer keep coming from this direction. This 2 days in a row, they come from this direction. As you can see, we got water here. It's a little creek bed here. Runs down low. Runs down low here. This is some elevation. But 2 days in a row, I decided to do a spot in the stock and I pushed one from here. So this is going to be the stand. I would not move this stand. I add another if I move this one. But this is it. Information is power. Got it done. Second day, about 30 yards. I'm not sure it was a buck or doe. Tried to sneak around me. I got it done. Just getting down. Waited, tried to hunt a little bit more for the rest of that daylight. But I think I heard him crash. I'm not going to push him. I'll come back tomorrow with the German Shepherds. Let them get some tracking practice and get them tomorrow. But I don't see the arrow. But look at this. Okay. What we got here? And this is pretty much what I got here so far. And I haven't even tracked. This is pretty much where I shot him at. This came right out of him. Like I said, I'm not gonna push him. When I shot this deer, he damn near laid sideways. So he got good impact. Damn near laid sideways. But I'm not sure this camera picking up this blood, because this is quite a bit of blood here. I'm trying to see if it got bubbles in it. Maybe not just yet, but maybe I'll take about 10 more steps. I just don't want to push this deer. Okay, what kind of blood would we call this? Got good blood here. This is a good amount of blood just immediately upon impact. I'm not sure the camera's picking this up. But we got right good blood here. I mean, this is all just on the other side of the shot. I haven't hit the gun track, as you can see. Staying right there. Not sure if it passed through or not. But we'll pick this up and I'll get it posted. I said we'll pick it up and get it posted. And ain't this something? Look at this. I knew I heard him crash. Look at this, y'all. Check it out. Check it out. What do we see? I see him way over here. What do we see? I smoked him. I got him. I got him. Let's go get him. Peace. K Solo out. Does it again. Second day of hunting season. Here we go. Let's get him. Alright. Like I said, I was going to come back and get him tomorrow. This deer actually looked bigger than this, but I would have taken him anyway. As he said, I'm a meat hunter, and this deer is going to be delicious. Good tender meat. We have a young, probably a little yearling, a little spotted, little buck. Well, take it how I get it. I don't spend time fighting mosquitoes for nothing. This is what the Lord sent me today, and I take it today. Thank you, Lord. K Solo out. Hit him up with the Ross Rage 2-inch broadheads. I want to try to find that broadhead. I'll be hunting this property. I'll keep a lookout for it. But I'm taking my deer on in now. K Solo out. Dragging them out. Found my arrow. I won't have to come back. Won't have to look for this arrow again either. This arrow will kill another. Everything is in good shape. Yep, the blades. Blades still in good shape. Yep, let's go clean it up and get it sanitized for the next one.